Hello everybody, today we are test driving Transit Connect 70 plate which came in with some DPF AdBlue problems. Now the problems has been solved. Sir, what can you tell us about your van? How was it before and how is it now? We had a bit of drive, about 7 miles.
Yeah, we've had a little drive and it drives fantastically well. Before the work was carried out, the van was sluggish. The engine sounded like it was working very hard, and now the work's been carried out, the van drives fantastically well.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy indeed, yes.
Excellent. We have another customer from Moorhouse-SupremeDpfCleaning.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. We are specialized and we are masters for DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, SCR, high fuel consumption, power loss, black or white smoke issues. By the way, did you see any black or white smoke on the rear view mirror when you're accelerating?
I didn't.
You didn't? Good. So, this is what we are. My telephone number is 07533636194. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thank you.